Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Striking Vista. Today I am going to show you another series stunning time lapse captured from my window showing the amazing cloud journey. This video is shot in the Newcastle Upon Tyne in England, which is one of my most favorite cities in England. I have created this video by capturing multiple time-lapse footage on different days showing different cloud journey and cloud formation. It is indeed amazing to see how the clouds form and travel in their journey from one place to another. Time-lapse videography is quite interesting. To create a video like this, say of 30 seconds with a 25 frames per second, you need to capture at least 30 into 25, that is 750 still images of the same view at an interval of 2 or 3 or 4 seconds each, and then stitch it together using a software. In some of the advanced cameras, this feature is inbuilt, so when you capture all of the images, in this case say 750, the camera does the rest to stitch it together to form a stunning time lapse. If you want more control in the video output, like the exposure, the frame rates and color rendering, etc., then the stitching softwares are quite better. Time-lapse can be of any moving thing like clouds, people walking down the streets, moving vehicles, flowing water, animal migrations, etc. So friends, I hope you like this time lapse created by me. Please like the video if you found it interesting and leave a comment with your feedback in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel Striking Vista if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notification of the upcoming videos. So let's meet again in a new video very soon. Till then, thank you, take care, stay safe and have a good day ahead.